So here I have the Milwaukee M18 FUEL 1-inch impact wrench. I just got this from Amazon. I bought it from the seller Mass Gear, and I paid a total of $985. So it was $914 plus tax, $70 for tax, and it came up to total of $985. Just in case you're going to order one or planning on ordering one, I'm going to be unpacking it just so you can see what it comes and how it comes. So this is the model number, and this is another number, the model number, part number, and I got it from this seller. On the Amazon it said Mass Gear, but it came up to that seller, and then they ship it to Amazon, and then from Amazon they ship it to my address. So I'm gonna start unboxing it so you can see how it comes. So this is the box that it comes with. In the kit, it includes the impact wrench, 2 batteries, the 8.0 battery, the charger, and the contractor bag. So we got some instructions for the impact wrench and the charger. This is the handle for the impact gun. Just their tools they sell, the 1-key tools. So here, the charger. So here's the impact wrench. I'll take it off right now. So they're just packing cardboards. Should be another battery. That's basically all it comes with. So take this plastic off. So there it is. FUEL brushless. It's a little heavy. I'll get the scale right now. See how heavy it is. Where the battery goes. here's a battery. I think they come fully charged, but I'm not sure. And it seems like it's dead already, so I need to charge it. Let's see the other one. And this was dead too. So I'm gonna plug it in and charge it. It does have some charge. And right here has the numbers 1 through 4. So you can put it what kind of speed you want it. So the charger, what you gotta do is drop it in there and it's ready. Plug it in and it'll start charging. So there goes the handle. You can put it any place you want it and then lock it in. So let's see how heavy it is. I'm gonna put the impact wrench scale. So it came up to 12 pounds, 12.7 pounds with the battery on. So it came up to 12.7 pounds with the battery on. It's not that heavy compared to a regular impact wrench, the air impact wrench. So I'm gonna be making a video to show you how it works. I'm going to be removing some lug nuts on a semi truck. And thank you for watching.